First picture, like I always do, I'm gonna show you pictures first.
You gonna put the pictures on?
Yeah.
Oh no. So I can't take a picture.
Well, I can make a video over 20 minutes now, so the problem we were having before is no longer an issue.
Okay, first picture is right here. I'm done soon. On PC. There's your first picture.
Yeah, I remember that
It's on your
picture.
Final exam. You probably saw it in a previous exam.
That looks unfamiliar.
So depolarization threshold, action potential, start to repolarize, potassium's leaving the cell.
Hyperpolarized.
You guys got it.
Piece of cake.
That one was pretty easy on the last
Okay.
test though.
Don't say that, because then the question's
no,
gonna be.
the test is written, the test is already photocopied. It's not like I'm gonna go change the questions, it's just I hope it's easy for you.
No, I'm sorry. Just
Concentration.
And I didn't
The concentration.
I didn't say none of that. I said on the last test that one was. You went over it really well for us when we were doing the review and everything. else.
Maternal
You
and
guys are gonna say,
paternal.
Use a different word, kid. I can't use a different word.
We're gonna buy you a thesaurus, and then you'll have plenty of words to use. What else for concentration?
Okay, this one's on the test.
Richness. Give me another one.
Focus. Concentration.
Cerebrospinal fluid flow in the subarachnoid space. So remember how it's made here in the choroid plexi? Lateral ventricle, third ventricle, cerebral aqueduct, fourth ventricle. Up to the lateral apertures and the median apertures in the subarachnoid space now and floating around in the subarachnoid space. Here's the subarachnoid villi, or the granulations, reabsorbing it into my neurovenous sinuses. Good? By the way, yeah, some cerebrospinal fluid is also in the central canal, the spinal cord, but usually that collapses by the time you're an adult. Not that I tested you on that, I'm just saying it's probably not open when you're an adult. Great. Let's see if there's any more pictures. Second picture. Yep, another picture. You guys don't like it. Okay, so likely a little anatomy in here. I know I've pretty much kept that to the labs, but this is the final comprehensive examination. So this dotted line is light. It actually does say light up here, you just can't see it. It says light. This is the path light takes to hit your retina. It's actually hitting the macula lutea, the yellow spot, the fovea. Highest concentration of colon. You guys remember that? Okay, so, and then a little bit of anatomy, you get the lens and stuff like that.
It's that word concentration again.
That's the most abundant component. Without using the word concentration.
How many questions are on each picture?
I'll go back and tell you that in a second. Let me show you the pictures first. Alright. So, you guys want to look at that picture again and see if you have any questions about the numbers that are labeling it?
You know, you don't have to keep turning that off. We don't mind.
No, I might. Okay, you guys aren't going to like this, but. At this point, this really should be an overview. At this point, we've done it in lecture, we've done it in lab, we hit it again and again and again. Everyone got it? And, ooh, one more picture. Oh, you guys probably won't mind this now. Now, I'm gonna see if that question, same similar questions in there in a second. Because the proximal convoluted tubule does more reabsorption than secretion. Now I'm gonna see if a similar question. Everyone got that taken?